Welcome back to Squawk on the Street. With the markets in sell-off mode, Wall Street digesting another day of retail earnings. Best Buy and L Brands reporting beats, moving in opposite directions, though. On Best Buy's conference call, CEO Hubert Joly saying, quote, the impact of tariffs at 25% will result in price increases and will be felt by U.S. consumers. Common thread there in the retail earnings conference calls. U.S.-China trade tensions hitting the retail sector. The XRT ETF on pace for its third straight down week. Down about 1% right now. Joining us now is Cowen senior retail analyst Oliver Chen. Oliver, I thought Best Buy was actually relatively good report. Why is it getting beat up today on Wall Street?
Yeah, good morning, Sarah. Tariffs are a big concern. I would say the pricing and tariffs, and as we look across the sector, earnings may have to be cut by 10 to 25%. So that's a fear, a general sector fear in people's minds. At LB and Victoria's Secret, we're actually more worried about the long term here. We're worried about the store count. We're also worried about the new customer and what Victoria's Secret should do in terms of changing their product to add fit, add sizes. So there's a lot happening in retail. Weakness in department stores, strength in broad lines, a real customer bifurcation as well.
So just to be clear on Best Buy, despite the fact that the results were somewhat better than expected, you think this is the tariff overhang on the entire sector that's weighing on the stocks?
That is a sector issue. We don't cover Best Buy, to be frank, so I'm a little less familiar with that stock.
But overall, I mean, this is clearly an impact. When you say 10 to 20% hit on earnings, how do you get to numbers like that?
Well, it'll be very difficult for the companies to absorb all of the price increases from suppliers. So that will have to come in the form of earnings. In terms of the names we like with tariffs, we love Walmart. Walmart's a great name because 66% of the goods are sourced in the United States. We also like Costco, we like Ulta, and we like Planet Fitness. So the big concern here is passing along prices to consumers, and not all prices will be able to be passed along. That will take hits in terms of earnings and gross margins.
Why do you like Walmart on that story? I mean, they're known for their everyday low prices. Do you think they're going to be able to pass along higher prices?
We're excited about Walmart because keep in mind over 50% is grocery at Walmart. Also, a strong low to middle end consumer. It's quite a positive in terms of traffic and low unemployment and wage growth. And Walmart has been doing an excellent job in e-commerce as well as curbside pickup. Based on a lot of our Cowen research, over half of the digital growth could be from curbside pickup. They're moving to 3,100 locations with drive-up curbside pickup. Those are all great positives for an e-commerce business growing at 35% or higher. So a lot of pieces working here, digital, grocery, as well as Walmart being an everyday low price, well-managed scale retailer.
Hey, Oliver, we got an upgraded target today, and one of the frameworks that they give is that you're looking for people who are taking share because overall the consumer is going to be a little reticent. Is that sort of where you are, sort of top down?
Yeah, we're excited about Target. A third of their products are private label. They also have Drive Up as well as Shipt and others, and they've been doing a good job managing digital and physical as well as fulfilling a lot of goods from in-store online. So all around Target is well positioned in this environment. And also don't forget the strong consumer at the middle and low end will benefit Target as well. They've had positive traffic and that momentum has been very attractive. Our studies also show very good pricing, very good customer satisfaction. So between digital, the product assortment, marketing, and a lot of changes in terms of making Target America's easiest place to shop, these have all been positives for driving very strong numbers.